What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product? We were very inexperienced with using tripods at the start of filming. This was mainly due to the fact that I don't think anyone in our group had really used one before. However, it wasn't that difficult and we got the hang of it quickly. However, one of the days we ended up with a tripod that didn't fit the camera. I think this really hurt the way our final product looked because we had to then film all the shots we were going to use with the tripod. We had to film as handheld shots instead. This made the final cut look slightly less professional, as some of the shots aren't as stable as they really needed to be. However, not having a tripod for some of the filming made us realise how much easier a tripod makes things. We had to film some shots at really awkward heights and angles that were genuinely quite hard to film with just your hands. Next is editing technology. We really needed to make sure that when we used the editing technology, we needed to use it successfully in order to produce a high quality final product. Final Cut Pro was chosen over iMovie as it had a slightly more professional feel, and although it is a bit more complex, it would give us more options to be more creative once we had a good understanding of the software. This ended up being a good decision as we felt that Final Cut Pro really allowed us to do everything we wanted. There was never really a point where we felt like we were restricted by the editing software. Finally, camera. There were several different aspects we had to learn about in order to use the camera as well as we really needed in order to have a professional looking final product. Firstly, we had to understand the functions of the camera to make sure we could use it easily. This meant learning how to shoot, open menus, delete clips that we didn't need. We did have some setbacks towards the start due to not being fully familiarised with what we were using. We also had some issues with battery life and not bringing spare batteries. This was mainly due to filming for much longer than we initially expected. This did mean that the first day of filming was cut short slightly due to the camera running out of batteries. However, this was good in the long run because it meant that we became increasingly more aware of what we had to do and how we had to prepare in order to shoot successfully on a certain day.